What is better than one trend? Two and two put together. Take a look at this right now. The term Bitcoin has a current rating of 89 out of 100. Very low competition and tons of demand for this type of content. Number two, this new platform, Rumble.com, which I've spoken about a couple of days ago, which you guys really seem to enjoy. I'm going to make a part 2 of this video. And number 3, the most famous man in the world has moved to this platform, causing a massive surge on this website. As you'll see over here, this website has gone from between 47 and 50 rating on Rumble.com, which has skyrocketed to over 100% rating, which means the traffic to this website has nearly doubled in the past couple of months. So I'm going to show you how we can go and take part in the trend of Bitcoin and tons of people searching for this particular information, you could say, and create hype around that on this new platform called Rumble.com, which there is also a lot of hype around, and there is hardly any content on Rumble.com about Bitcoin. So this video is going to be the ultimate sweet spot of two trends put together, which I'm going to show you how you can go and build a business and make money online without creating your own content, without recording any of your own videos, without even editing, or maybe one or two things that we need to touch up in the editing software, but all of that is really easy to do. If you follow with me in this video, anybody can literally do this and scale at this. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, and on this channel I document my journey on various ways that I used to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking about two massive trends that are happening at the moment. Really banger of a video, and I hope I can provide tons of value for you guys. But if you want to get daily videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe down below to this channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. Without further ado, let's get straight into this. Alright, so let's not waste any time and get straight into this. The first thing we need to do is we need to develop video ideas around the Bitcoin niche. So one of the easiest ways to go and do that is to come over to Google and go and search best Bitcoin tips, and you can go and use the people also ask section on Google. What is the best strategy for Bitcoin? That itself is a topic for your video on its own. What is the most profitable cryptocurrency? That itself is another topic for your video. What is the smartest way to buy Bitcoin? Another smart idea for your video content. What are the top 3 cryptocurrencies? What is the best coin to invest in 2022? And as you can see over here, this list goes on and on and on. If you click on all of these, more start to pop up over here. For example, can Dogecoin reach $10? There's another topic idea for your video. So what you're going to do is to go and make this type of content is to click on any one of these ideas. For example, 11 best places to buy Bitcoin in 2022. Go and open up this website, and it will give you over here a simple list by list format, frequently asked questions, and a list of the best places to go and buy Bitcoin. Now, I've got a free tool for you guys called InVideo.io, where we can go and turn our ideas in articles on Google into done for you videos at the click of a button. So this is the part where it comes in, where we don't need to create any content, you don't need to record anything, and you've already got your topic and content idea from Google. This is not stealing information, this is not copyright, you're just getting influence from articles on Google. If you go and copy and paste this article and go and post it on another article website without giving credit, that is where copyright issues fall in. But we are making a video out of this. We're not copying this text for text. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to InVideo.io. Once you've signed in with your free account, your dashboard will look something like this. Go and have a look for the text to video section. Click on the plus sign over here, and it will give you a whole bunch of templates that you can go and choose from. One of my favorites that I always like to go and choose is either this one over here. It's a nice corporate kind of a look, so we can go and click on this option. What I recommend is if you want to go and use any of these, that is perfectly fine, because the software automatically adds all of your pictures and videos for you. Make sure you've got landscape 16:9 selected, as that is the needed resolution for Rumble.com. Click on use template, and as simple as this, you need to go and paste your headline and your story, which you can come over to the place or the website where you found your title, 11 best places to buy Bitcoin in 2022, or how to invest in Bitcoin. Copy that title, come back to InVideo.io, paste this over here, and for your story, you can come over down below and literally go and copy this list over here. So go and copy this list, paste this in nvidia.io. You can go and copy a random question. For example, can a Bitcoin crash? Go and copy this over here, click on enter, paste this over here, and you want to go and type bonus tip and frequently asked question. Click on colon, and over here you can go and ask people, can Bitcoin crash, and just give them more insight into this. So the answer would be Bitcoin is now much more stable than it was a year ago because many people and institutions have invested in it. It can barely crash to zero. However, it is volatile, meaning the price can vary either way, upwards or downwards. Please use portfolio management tools that allow you to monitor prices in real time. So this is just another frequently asked question that a lot of people ask, and ultimately you want to give as much as value in your video as possible by simply answering that question. So we can now click on auto suggest images and videos. Important that you select that. Click on next over here, click on rearrange text, and finally click on next, and it will automatically load this into a done for you video. And take a look at this. You've got scene 1, which lists your title, 11 best places to buy Bitcoin in 2022, and then a subtitle, and below is a list of popular best Bitcoins or places to buy Bitcoins. And over here, your text has now been arranged into easy done for you slides or video slides, which can compile into a perfect Rumble MP4 video, which you can upload to the platform. You can also preview a video just to make sure all your spelling is correct and the video is as you like. And as you can see, if I play through this, I'm just going to mute my sound. It has created this done for you video listing each and every platform that you can go and buy Bitcoin. Once your video is ready, go and click on download on the top right over here. Click on export, and this will now export to your PC, available for download. While this is busy rendering, I want to show you the part where we're actually going to make money from this. If you come over to a website called clickbank.com or digistore24.com, you can go and find tons of Bitcoin information courses that you can go and promote as an affiliate. For example, the Bitcoin Breakthrough System, which will teach you the lowdown on Bitcoin investing, what Bitcoin is, how it works, how can you acquire it, choosing the right wallet, getting ready for trading, avoiding Bitcoin and crypto scams, Bitcoin investing practices, and then more topics in section 2, which is important things you need to know about crypto, 4 key areas for developing blockchain platforms, 4 things you need to know before investing in crypto, and it basically teaches people about every single topic that they need to know in the Bitcoin space. And every time someone signs up for this specific program, you will get $35.72 commission straight to your Digistore24 account, which you can withdraw straight to your bank account. Over here, you'll see there's a couple of other programs as well. Same on clickbank.com. You'll see over here is a crypto and NFT ultimatum, which is another product that will show you how to make money with crypto and NFTs. My personal favorite is definitely this one on Digistore24. So you can go and click on promote now, and over here you will get your unique affiliate link. You'll see if I go and open this up in a new tab, it's going to take me to the landing page of this particular product, which has already been created for us as affiliates. So we don't need to go and pay for tools like Kartra or Builderall, where we need to design our own landing pages. Our landing page has already been created for us as an affiliate. Once your video is done rendering on nvidia.io, go and click on download, and this video will download to your PC. Finally, before we go and upload this to rumble.com, we need to go and create a thumbnail. To go and do that, I recommend come over to canva.com, click on the YouTube thumbnail template, and it will open up a brand new canvas, which will give you hundreds of different templates that you can go and use for your video or for your thumbnail. So over here, you will see, for example, we can go and use this one over here. We can go and just change the text, top 10 places to buy crypto. We can type here in 2022. And just like that, we have a done for you thumbnail. We can go and click on share on the top right, go and click on download, increase the quality size to 1920 by 1080, and click on download again. And now we have a done for you. And now we have a done for you thumbnail and a done for you video ready to go and upload, and our affiliate product, which is what's going to be making us money on rumble.com. And also remember, rumble.com also pays ad revenue. So you're going to open up 2 different streams of income with this. Once you've done all of that, come over to rumble.com, click on plus new video on the top right over here, or upload new video. Click on select video to upload, and go and upload that same video that we've just created on nvidia.io. And for your video title, simply again, you can scroll up to that original article, go and copy that same title, come over to Rumble, paste that over here. And for your description, you can go and type the following: Bitcoin breakthrough system with your affiliate link over here. So to go and grab your affiliate link, just come back to digital24.com, copy that over here by right click copy, and you can come over to bitly.com to go and shorten your URL into a neat and short link like this. Make sure to go and upload your thumbnail by click on choose your own, and go and upload your thumbnail that you've just created on Canva. For your tags, we can go and type Bitcoin, Bitcoin trend. We can also go and type here best places to buy Bitcoin. We can go and type here how to buy Bitcoin, and multiple any Bitcoin tags that are relative to your video. You can also go and select the channel that you want to upload to. Very important that we go and click on upload over here. You want to go and select Rumble only so that your videos will only remain on the Rumble platform, so that you will get paid Rumble ad revenue and ultimately your affiliate commissions in the description of your video. And what I like about rumble.com, there's no 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour requirement to get monetized. Your videos can start getting money from day one, which is really, really great. Go and accept the terms, conditions, and go and submit, and your video will now be public. My second piece of advice for this video is go and utilize short video platforms like Facebook Reels, TikToks, Instagram Reels. Those kind of platforms are really pushing out content right now, and I want to show you a really good example. My Facebook Reels page that I created 2 months ago, and I've only posted about 11 posts on here. My type of views that I'm getting off of this platform is absolutely crazy. I posted a simple Facebook reel, which I just used one of my TikToks to repost on Facebook, got over 1.18 million views in its first month. This video got 152,000, 70,000 views, and all of them are over at least 10,000 views. And what you can do is to hook in people to your channel on rumble.com to ultimately increase your ad revenue and affiliate commissions is leave a comment on each and every one of your Facebook Reels or TikTok videos or YouTube Shorts videos or Instagram Reels videos, full video and full webinars on rumble.com, and just leave a link to your Rumble video. That way you will redirect a lot of traffic from the short video platforms to your mainstream channel. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with this. I'm going to give you more full free webinars and tutorials on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and all of those short video platforms by giving you an entirely free playlist and webinar on YouTube over here with 13 videos plus that I've made in the past. So what I recommend is if you want to learn more about this, scale with this on the short video platforms to grow your mainstream channel on Rumble, I recommend click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.